Alrighty, so this is the project I was telling you guys about. We're gonna finish up with the deck. We just gotta get the decking down. The reason we're kind of waiting on this one, there's supposed to be a hot tub getting delivered to go right in over here in this section of the deck. That particular hot tub fell through, so we're just waiting on another hot tub so we can kind of build around it. So we decided with the snow coming soon, hopefully not too soon, but soon, we deck all of everything up until where the hot tub is gonna slide in. Leave a little extra space over there to work the hot tub in, and make sure for each specific hot tub it's a little bit different size and has a different access panel. So we'll have to give some access to that. So we got our border on here, mitered in. Just run 2x4s on the inside just to give it something to grab to, because obviously it's not the same width as our joist. It doesn't land on a joist. Also gives this board here something to grab to as well. But yeah, I got that down. We also did the partial sod here. So this was used to be an above ground pool. There's a big hole in the ground here. You can kind of see this nice green grasses and stuff that we did. We're gonna top this path up with some crusher dust, compact it and have it looking nice. But grass turned out good. We got some wet flower beds over there, but they will be shaped up once we get everything else set. Clip you guys saw we were working on this, which is the decking all down, and as you can see over there, hot tub got delivered yesterday, so good to get everything finished up now. We'll get our joists in, get this all decked around. It looks like the access panel on this particular tub is gonna be on this side. Yeah, access panel right there, so we can get everything we need to it. But yeah, check that out. We gotta get a little more crusher under the front there. Other than that, pretty much ready to wrap this one up. This will be the last job for the season. Alrighty guys, so what we're doing now, we're just in the truck. Still a little broke. We gotta get that, well, it turns out it actually wasn't a wheel bearing, it's a U-joint that I showed you guys in the last video that's acting up on it. So not as immediate of a problem, but still a problem nonetheless that needs to be taken care of. Right now you can hear the Jake brake going. We got the trailer on the back there. We get a good load of pallets that are broken and old scrap wood and you know, all that junk that you end up laying around with at the end of a couple jobs, and we get a full trailer full. So we'll load, we're all loaded up. We're taking it right to the dump now. I'll check in with you guys as soon as we get to the dump. We'll get this thing dumped out. Alrighty, pop the trailer open, first step. Get it together. On here. We also got some nice and little handy just bungee cords and stuff on the end of the turret. Keep it in place nice and easy. Keep this all cranked up and we'll get it dumped out. That's one thing I was wondering about the bungee cords though, is if they're going to catch on everything. Actually pretty good there. Not too bad at all. Alright, well, let's dump this out then. Whole bunch of pallets and wood, like I told you guys, just old straps that we had kicking around. I'll save you guys a headache and I'll check out once I get this all dumped out. Now that's some big gear. That's a 320, Cat 320. Huge end, pretty big excavator. I had that scrape out my trailer one time when the battery died in it, and it wasn't gonna go up all the way. So it's a pretty cool rig for sure. This thing's still going. We're just losing a little bit of our load now. Getting up about dumping point there now. There it goes. By the look of it though, we're gonna definitely have to give her a good jerk to get everything out of here. Now that is some big gear for sure that he's got going there. Don't know where he's going though, so I'm gonna get out of his way real quick and then check back in. Alrighty, we'll hit the scales here, see how much weight we lost, and then go in and get it paid for. Pull on right here. Got the truck and the trailer on. As you can see, if you guys can see that sign there, it just says wait till the light flashes. So we'll wait for the light to flash. Once that light flashes, get out of here, pull up right over here. Parker and go and pay. So back in a minute. Alright everyone, we are here sitting at the quarry waiting to get loaded up. There is no loader in sight, so this might take a minute. Sometimes, oh, it's 12 o'clock. Shit. Loader driver's lunch break. We just found it. Well, we're gonna be hanging out here for a minute. That's fine. I am going to pick up some crusher. Like you guys saw, that hot tub needs a little bit more crusher to get the pad all leveled out. So probably grab about 2.5, 3 ton of crusher. Head back in. We got to do that path and the in the hot tub pad, and then whatever extra crusher that we have left there from that 2.5, 3 ton, I'm going to take to my house just to use as backfill to use less concrete. So yeah, we'll get a full trailer full here in probably 20 minutes when the loader driver's lunch break's over. Alrighty guys, so right on schedule, 12:30. Loader's back from his lunch break, so he'll come over here, get us all loaded up. I'm just gonna hop out now and tell him what we need, so just give me a sec there. About 2.5 ton of the crusher there. Thank you. We got it all loaded up. Big old scoop there. Once we get that all geared up, we're gonna go throw the tarp on the trailer. Right in the center, beautiful. We got this tarp on, we'll check in with you guys in a minute. Alrighty, bringing in the last of the crusher. This is where it's coming. Getting that path all done up. Make it look fresh with some nice fresh crusher, and then under the hot tub, so. I'm trucking in to the last of it now. We got way too much, but rather have way too much than way too little. So come right up here, we need some more up there. And then this corner of the pad is just like 5 inches too short because we made it for a smaller tub. And this one, so it starts to slope down on the corner and that corner, which is gonna be a pain in the ass to try and get crushed under it now. It's already laid there, but wish you guys sometimes. So we'll knock this out. Alrighty guys, just thought I'd close this video out just with a quick clip where we're at now. Not too much more done here. This is all firmed up. So we get all our runners here, screwed in here, and also zipped in here all the way up. That's just so that the boards, when they get some weight on them, as you can see if we crank on that, that's not going anywhere. Hold the weight of the concrete, and then we zipped all these together as well. So now we can take a good walk up, making sure we're putting some good downforce on here. Trying to break things, because now's the time to break things if they're gonna break, not when there's concrete showing up. So as you guys saw, I think the clip before this one, got a new drone, so had some fun with that thing and just did a quick loop around the backyard. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a breakdown on what we've done back there, because that was our first big project. That's really where we got started, but that's for another video. So we got all the rebar all set, except for that one. The tie, I think that particular one a little bad, but sums it up. Concrete tomorrow. Let's hope these are good. This will end this one, and we'll get into concrete tomorrow, so that should be exciting. Check you then.